Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to look at how to find the midpoint between 2 points. The midpoint is the point halfway between 2 points on the line, hence why it is called the midpoint. So, we want to find the midpoint between these 2 points. So we have our x1 and our x2 here. And we have our y1 as well as our y2 here. And we want to find the midpoint between these 2 points. We find the midpoint by using the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula is midpoint equals x1 plus x2 over 2 as well as y1 plus y2 over 2. So, for this example here, we have midpoint equals x1, which is negative 3, plus x2, which is 7, over 2, and our y1, which is 5, plus y2, which is 3, over 2. That gives us negative 3 plus 7, which is 4, over 2, and 8 over 2, which gives our midpoint between these 2 points to be 2 and 4. And that's how you find the midpoint between 2 points.